I get up as soon as the sun's rays come onto my eyes. Oh, very good. Early in the morning, as soon as the sun's rays come onto you, అంటే సూర్యుడు కిరణాలు నా కళ్ళ మీద పడంగానే నేను లేస్తానన్నాడు. చాలా బాగుంది. వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి చూస్తే తూర్పు దిక్కు లేదు కిటికీ, పశ్చిమ దిక్కు ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ తమో గుణ. సో ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు, ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు. పిరమిడ్ మాస్టర్లందరూ ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. ఎవరయ్యా మహానుభావుడు అంటే, ఎవరైతే మహా అంటే గొప్ప, దొడ్డ దొడ్డ అనుభవవి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈజ్ గొప్ప అనుభವ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ? ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದಲೇ ಅನುಭವ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ, ಮಹಾ ಅನುಭವ. So, Tyagaraja said, Namaskar to all the people who got great experiences. Dodda Anubhava Beku, Maha Anubhava Beku. And where do you get that Dodda Anubhava, Maha Anubhava? Okay. First of all, in samsara, as Swamiji said. Samskara with samskara. Okay, great anubhava. It's not easy for samsara, my dear friends. If you want to test your enlightenment, you have to do samsara. Without samsara, your enlightenment is not tested. Your self is not tested. So, my dear friends, samsara, Dodda Anubhava, plus within the samsara you should add Atma Samskara. That is the Mahanubhava. What a great thing. Samsara itself is great, spirituality itself is great, but when you combine these two, spirituality in samskara, samskara with Atma Samskara, that is a pyramid spiritual society's movement. We have a wife, we have a husband, we have children, we fight daily. But we also meditate daily together. That is the greatness. We fight daily. We are not shy of fighting. And after the fight is over, okay, 2 hours fight is over, very good. Now the time has come, meditation, 2 hours meditation. So same people should sit together and do meditation. Again tomorrow morning fighting. Again tomorrow night meditation. That is a great samskara. What happens, when you fight? Everybody fights for the right cause. Everybody is right from his point of view. The wife is right from her point of view. The husband is also right from his point of view. Okay, we are going in the traffic from east to west in Bangalore. Then there is the traffic from west to east. They are also following. So both traffic jam. Who is wrong in the traffic jam? Everybody is right. This fellow wants to go from this side to that side. That fellow wants to come there. The same road is there. You have to have a lot of patience. In samsara, lot of patience is developed. Every day you will have hunger. So you have to cook and eat. Nobody is going to give you food. So you have to work hard. This body, you come after great puja in the higher worlds. Why? Because every day you have to maintain this body. With this body, The body you got because of somebody's samsara. Your tande, thai, samsara, you have got a body. If they have not done samsara, you will not have a body. And if you don't do samsara, somebody else cannot come here. You have to produce children. That's a great anubhava. Ask any mother, which is the greatest anubhava? He says, my delivering a baby. That's the greatest anubhava. Mahanubhava. Mother is equal to God. God is equal to mother. If you want to see God, see a mother. If you have seen a mother, you have seen God. What is mother? Pure samsara, Shuddha samsara. But there is no Ananda in samsara because there is no Atma samskara added to it. That's all. A little Atma samskara. Okay, a little Atma samskara in this beautiful samsara. Then you will become Mahanubhava among Mahanubhavas. Pyramid masters are great masters. They combine samsara with Atma samskara. Samskara means, purification. Samskara means evolution. Samskara means welfare. Samskara means an ethical beauty. Okay. Samskara means a great camaraderie. All this, a togetherness, a oneness. All differences are there in samsara, but we have to live together happily as possible. For that, in the samsara, we have to add Atma samskara. To get Atma samskara, you have to do meditation. Prati obbalge, prati dina, dhyana, abhyasa beke, beku. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆತ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೇಕು. Okay. Then only, that's why Tyagaraja said, ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనం. నువ్వు మహానుభావుడు కాకపోతే వందనం లేదు. You have to become a great master, Mahanubhava, great experienced master. Certain lifetimes, you do only samsara. There is no Atma samskara. Then after some times, you leave samsara, you become a sannyasi. Only for meditation, you gather lot of Atma samskara, Atma jnana, Atma anubhava. Then in the final third phase, you combine these two. You become a samsari as well as a sannyasi in the samsara. Add both. Then first you become, there are three phases in the evolution of the Atma. You get a lot of experiences in pure samsara without any Atma samskara. But then, no samsara, only pure Atma samskara, you go to Himalayas, many lifetimes as sannyasi. I don't want any samsara. You get Atma samskara, but you are not a tested person. Your Atma samskara has to be tested in samsara. Anupinna vyavahara. Normal life. Then you take birth to do samsara along with dhyana, along with artist movement. It started with enlightenment. There was no movement. Yeah, I wanted to know the truth. ನನಗೆ ಸತ್ಯ ಬೇಕು. What is ಸತ್ಯ? ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? What has Swamiji said? Whatever is Shashvata is asatya. Whatever is Ashashvata is asatya. Whatever is Shashvata is asatya. I want Shashvata. Nice job is there, wife is there, children are there, but music is also there with me. But something else is missing. Very nice music. I was learning music. Nice job, nice samsara. Everything is fine, but nothing is fine. Because some factor is missing. What is that some factor? Atma anubhava. Atma samskara is there. Thought of Purva Janma Atma samskara must have come, has come. Therefore, I was able to get it. continue it. If you have that thirst for truth, there you have to stop it.